Let us now look at some of the payment settings. What are these settings? We click on settings and here we have it. Enable automatic sales receipts for payments, the receipt title, the receipt prefix, the receipt starting number. You can set all of these up. So in automatic sales receipts for payments means whenever somebody pays you, an automatic sales receipt is generated and sent to them. So that's enabling automatic sales receipts. So you can choose to not have it automatic, but make it a part of a workflow that you have created. But yeah, from email, name used while sending receipt notifications. If left blank, business name will be used. From email, again, if left blank, business email will be used. Subject, thank you for your recent purchase. Email template would be a default email template. Notes and terms, if you want to add any, you can add it here. Taxes, so if you have any specific taxes, you can add the taxes here. Enable automatic taxes, calculate sales tax based on customer's address. Automatic taxes works only in the US, so configure tax rates above if the customers are located outside the US. That's taxes. Notifications, let's see what's there in notifications. Email template, abandon cart, send after 10 hours, send to the customer if they leave checkout before they buy the items in their cart. Shipping and delivery, so if you're selling a physical product, shipping zone becomes important. You can create a shipping zone for different countries and different, so if you're in the United States, you can create different zones for different states. Let's say I create one shipping zone for Arizona, name it Arizona, click on add. So that's a specific zone, Arizona. I can now add a rate. So use Career app to calculate rate or use a flat rate. So let's say free shipping for people in Arizona. Delivery description, nothing, it's free. Conditional pricing, so if I want to add some conditions to free shipping by order price or by item weight, I can add those conditions here. I think these are the easiest things. So minimum price, let's say only if the price is 1,000 rupees and the maximum is 50,000 rupees, I give them the free shipping. If I do not want to offer free shipping, I can, so that's free. If it's not free, I want to give a flat rate, I can give a flat rate here. If I want to use a courier or an app to calculate, I select the use courier app to calculate. Now since this is not connected, I do not see any app. I'll have to add an app to add a specific courier. Once done, you can add all of these details over here and create the shipping zone accordingly. You can create multiple shipping zones for multiple locations. Shipping origin, so your business name, your phone number, your email address and your address, all of these details can be saved over here for the use in your payments.